Okay, here's the fish stair, and I've made a little bit of a tweak here. I think I only had, well, there's the loading row, and then these 3 rows, and I think it went back here before. I've added 2 more rows before the corner, and then back, and then this section is 4 marbles wide. So we'll show it to you here on the regular speed at 12 volts. Just a nice wave action through here as it fills up randomly from the back end here. Oh. And here's the same action on high speed 18 volts. Another one on the floor. Hate it when that happens. One thing I discovered in playing with the width here is figured out that I needed a bit of a relief on this side. This is still straight, but a bit of a relief here so that this marble, if there was a gap there, this marble could come around the corner to fill in there. Similarly, there has to be a bit of a circular cut here, enough that this one marble could fill in. So that way the pattern can also fill in. Same thing on this corner here. If there's a gap there, you want this marble to be able to come down and fill that gap. But otherwise, it's just 4 by 4 and 4 here, and you can see how it randomly fills in.